Assalamualaikum. I welcome you all to Javed Publishers. We are studying Reading General Knowledge, Grade 3, Chapter number 12, and the topic is inventions. As we have discussed all the things in details, so let's move towards the exercise of the chapter. Exercise page number 67. Answer the following questions. What is meant by invention? An invention is a thing created by a human or humans jointly which did not exist before. Name some important inventions. You can write computer, mobile phone, television, internet. What do you know about mobile phone? Mobile phone is a wonderful invention. We can use it anywhere in the world. Nowadays, mobile phones are not only being used for connecting people, but also they are serving as calculators, entertainers, navigators, etc. How have inventions changed our life? Explain with one example. We can giving the example of internet. Internet has revolutionized the lives of people. Sharing information, online shopping, reading, watching videos and playing games have brought the world well within your access. What would you like to invent and why? I would like to invent a kind of a smartphone in which you can do every task, like it will play as a mobile phone, it will play a role of internet, it will play a role of television, and it will play a role of computer in a single device. Moving towards the next question, filling the blanks with the correct word. The person who creates a new thing is called an scientist, inventor. Charles Babbage invented the dash, computer. Inventions make the work easier. Television was invented by John Logie Baird in 1903. Tick the correct sentence and cross the wrong one. Invention have improved man's living standard. Yes, tick. Internet has brought a limited change in the world. Cross. We can connect with people at abroad on internet in no time. Cross. Computer is limited to a few fields. Cross. Mobile phone is being used for educational purposes. Tick. Which one is your favorite invention? Write about it and also paste its picture. This is your homework task. You have to paste a picture. Which invention is your favorite, like a computer, either mobile phone or either television. You have to paste the picture over there and you have to write few sentences about it, why you like this invention and what work you will do within this invention. Thank you so much. This is all about chapter number 12, inventions. Keep watching. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा हमारी बोलती किताबों के साथ।